Here, next point is B, 4, 2. They are asking whether this point B, which has coordinates 4, 2, is lying on this line or not. How can we prove this? Your final answer must come 0, or on left hand side of the equal to and right hand side of the equal to, it should be same. It is same thing what I am saying, because on left hand side and right hand side, if it is same, it will give you 0 only. So we can see here. This is your x coordinate. This is your y coordinate. This is your equation. In this equation, substitute the value. What is your y? You will say 2. So you are writing 2. This is equal to, so equal to. This is what? 2. You are putting as it is. Now what is next? It is x. So here, in place of x, what you will write? 4 minus 6. So now 2 equal to 2 fours are 8 minus 6. So here 2 is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2. Aren't they same on both the side? So if they are both on the side, that means if you take any of this on either side, it is going to give you 0. So if this condition is fulfilled, that means this point B is lying on equation Y. You can take one more example. Here we can take the bigger one for point E, which has coordinate 20 and 34. Now here your y coordinate is 34, so you are taking 34. Then 2, so you are putting 2 into what is your x? It is 20, so you will put 20 minus 6. So 34, here this is going to be 40 minus 6. So 34 equal to 40 minus 6 is 34. So again, 34 minus 34 will give you 0. So this is also lying on this line. If it will not give you 0, or if both of these sides are not equal, then that point is not lying on this line. See, we can try if this one is there. Suppose 8 and 12. Okay, we take 8 and 12. So here this is the point D, which has coordinates 8 and 12. In this case, you see your y is what? It is 12. 2 as it is, in place of x, you are putting 8 minus 6. So now 12 equal to 8 times 2 is 16 minus 6. So here what are we getting? 12 is equal to 16 minus 6 is 10. Now tell me children, is this equal? 12 and 10 are equal? No. So it is not equal. Therefore, point D, 8, 12 is not present on line y is equal to 2x minus 6. Understood?